Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new to this place, please like and subscribe. Subscribe and like the video also, so the algorithm can recommend this video to your friends on YouTube. So I want to talk about Grass Network, and I just realized I've not posted how to run the community node on the Grass. So a lot of people are still using the old Grass extension, which is quite slow. So you know how companies will launch a product and downgrade companies like Apple. Apple could launch an iPhone and downgrade the qualities of the old one so you can upgrade. You get. So this is what Grass did, I think. The old extension is quite slow now, slower than it has ever been. So yeah, I want to show you how to install the community node. So we'll go to Grass. Okay, so I have the extension installed already. I'd have to remove from Chrome. Yeah, so if you want to download the extension, you go to store and you click on community node download. It takes you to this page. You choose if you use Windows or Mac. I think there's a third option. It's giving me hard times. So yeah, on this page, I'll click on download. Got down to this place. I'll click on download. Ask me um I'll click on Windows. This will take me to the download page and you can see it says thank you for downloading. Awesome. So it's downloading. It's at download in progress. Confirm. I think it's done. Download is complete. So what I'll do is I'll go to the file, click on, you can see I already downloaded it. Then this is the file. What I'll do is I'll click on it and then I'll click on extract all. Click on extract all, then I'll go back to the file. Replace, yeah, I think should just replace. When you extract, you get two files. The first one is grass config, and then the next one is the CRX file. And you click on the grass configuration, click on show more properties. I think you should be able to run as administrator. Good. So I'll click on run as administrator. It asks for permission. Yes, yes to everything. Press the space bar, and that's all. And the last part, this last part, I think, um, I split screen into two. This is where you split your screen into two. So yeah, I click on CRX, and here I go to extension. I go to the manage extensions, enable developer mode. This is very important. It has to be here for you to be able to install an extension from outside. So what I do is I right click, drag and drop here. I click on add extension and boom. So what I'll do is I'll close this page and expand this one so you'll be able to see properly. And yeah, you can see the grass extension is already here. So when I go back to grass, I click on sign in, put in my details, access my account. I think it's taking time. Yeah, you can see it's here already. I'll click pin because I want it to be easily accessible, and I'll click here. You can see it's up and running. So it's pretty easy. This is how you install grass node, community node, and it's a lot faster than the old one. I think they did it on purpose. So that's all for this video. I'll be back in the next one with another update. This is all for now. Please subscribe and like so the algorithm can recommend this video to your friends. See you in the next video.